Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2007 Suzuki Boulevard S50. It's the 800cc V-twin engine, carbureted, 5-speed transmission. This bike has custom paint, custom seat, custom exhaust. This bike is in very good condition. Small windshield in front, better wind protection. This bike has very low miles, only 3,337 miles on the odometer. This motorcycle has been lowered an inch in the rear for the low aggressive stance. This very nice Suzuki Boulevard is offered at $47.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach us at 408-730-0600.